shorts. How do people even get these on? That's ridiculous.
It's like putting tights on. You have to
No.
roll it up.
No. I'll try. One more try. These just might be too small for you. It's like I can't even watch this. Okay.
This part is not hard, Frankie.
She's like, what now, Mom? What's your secret? Just rub it all in there. Rambo, your turn. He's like, I love everything and anything whenever you touch me. Got a nice little foot massage. Okay?
Is that it?
Was that short and sweet, guys? 2 minutes? Did you get a good run in though? It's the elevator they leave.